Section 8, load calculation, start from, you see, single dwelling. How to calculate single dwelling, step by step here. Then next rule, how to calculate apartment, one apartment, and then how to calculate whole condo. For load calculation, you see, rule by rules, sub-rule by sub-rules. Schools also separated standard rules how to calculate load. Hospitals, hotel, motel, dormitories separated. Last one, it's a other type of occupancy. You see, other type of occupancy, small rule, but all other buildings which we didn't describe above, they from here, from this rule, which referring to table 14, this table important. It provides you watt per square meter.
Oh, yes.
Watt per square meter, basic load. Important to know, it's a basic load. Basic load, describe it at the beginning. What means basic load? Describe it in section 8. You see, basic load. The load of lighting and receptacles. All special stuff, mechanical, ventilation, heating, cooling, not included to basic load. So just know it's a lighting and receptacles. Because we cannot calculate lighting, convenient receptacles. Lighting we can calculate when it's already designed, but not necessary. We can follow basic load calculation, table 14. So these values, it's a lighting and receptacles. So plus to it will be mechanical load, special lighting load. Demand factor, here we have service conductors, feeders. You see, some demand factor applied if you have building and calculate service, one separated building, it has their own service, it will be these coefficients applied. Feeders, it's not building, it's a part of that another building, yes? They don't have their own service, they have branches or feeders from main switchboard without any metering, for example. For example, one floor has office and restaurant, yes? One floor has, for example, garage and, I don't know, and warehouse, for example. Yes, they belong one service, but they have separated feeders. So when it's feeders, this coefficient applied for conductors, you see, for conductors selection. Basically applied to the watt per square meter selection. So not 100%, you see.